Hello guys, how are you guys doing? So today I'm going to be introducing you guys to my favorite breakfast menu recipe. So today I'm going to be making eggs. So I have 3 eggs in here. I have my bell pepper, like half bell pepper. I have 2 tomatoes already cleaned up, like I took out all the seeds and everything. And then I have half onions, and in here I have my black pepper, a little seasoning and salt in there. So I'm going to go ahead and make me a nice breakfast. It's delicious. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing touch. Thank you guys so much for following me on my channel. Thank you for subscribing, liking, and sharing. I really appreciate you guys. God bless you all. Until next time, I will see you guys on the next day. Okay.